welcome back to my channel. I know this video is a little bit of a surprise, but let's just go with it. We're gonna go with it. I thought I would just do a quick clean with me. It was my day off and I was trying to do a quick putting of the house together before I went out and ran some errands. It took a little bit longer than I expected, but I am starting with my desk because after, an entire week, this is where most of the dysfunction is in this part of the house, is my desk. Sad but true. So I start by clearing up my work equipment, wiping everything down, and then putting back my personal computer gear.
Pain away. I hear music playing so loudly. Sing me now in the night wide awake. I'm wide awake. We don't need to explain everything. All we need is to feel. We don't have to make any decision. It is part of the deal. You like it? You like it? So watch my body just take it all in, just take it all in, just take it all in. Just take it
Once I'm done with that, I go ahead and vacuum under my desk. I do this at least once a day. And usually I vacuum under here first thing in the morning.
be with somebody, take my pain away.
I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream. A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life, watching paintings dry. I wanna take back the hours we last singing lullabies, lullabies. Oh, no one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on night to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. Lying, we're fine. Lying, we're fine.
was straightening the chest of drawers, I realized that I was late with my entry into our marriage journal. We make an entry once a month, and well, 1 month was over and another one was ending, and I was late. So I took a few minutes to make my entries. Then I moved on to my daughter's room, which more often than not is chaos, but that's okay. She's 8, right? I mostly just had to straighten up and pick up little toys, and she likes crafts, and so there's always, and I mean always, cut paper, taped paper all around, and so I just try to pick them up because she gets pretty bored. She makes them, she gets bored with them, and then she has all these emotions attached and doesn't want to let them go. But she's already moved on to the next thing, so I have to kind of sneak and throw them out when she's not watching.
How long did you wait for me?
Once I'm done with the bedrooms, I move on to the entryway, which has been a complete eyesore. It's cold and we were locked in a deep freeze for 3 weeks. So of course, here is where the boots come in and they get parked. So there's a lot of draining and drying that happens here. In Saskatchewan, they don't salt the roads, they sand them. And so yes, with the water comes in a lot of sand. And so during the winter time, I tend to have to wash the guard mats a couple of times, and I need to do that today. So I'm just going to do that.
I feel good, like I'm walking on sunshine, and there's nothing that can bring me down. Real good, like joy came in the morning, and the birds are singing sweeter sounds. The sun set me free if I just believe I am. Vision is key, so if you can see, you can rise above it. So when life is life and trouble's troubling, issues pile up, remember my is life and trouble is troubling. Issues pile up. Remember, my friend, that God is greater than our problems. When it feels like you can't make it through, find your gratitude. Find your gratitude. Find your gratitude. Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got
old. Like I said, this was supposed to be a quick tidying up, but I ended up spending a couple of hours at it. And I wanted to do some laundry, but I didn't make it before I needed to go run those errands. So I settled for folding the laundry that had been sitting in the dryer for a week. I told myself, you know, this is a consolation if I can put these away and I can do laundry tomorrow.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you, I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
And that's it for this video. Thank you for cleaning along with me or coming with me as I clean, whichever one you did. I will see you on the next one.